Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to another episode of Black Bull. Let's go through some of the trades that I made this week. This was really a crazy week, so let's go through it and check all the trades. The first trade was PRZO. It was on the 26th. Okay. First of all, look at the daily chart. Okay, we can see that the first time the stock is popped up, gap up, it's closed red almost at the lows. The second time, and it's not a big volume like this two. Okay, the second time is this one with much more higher volume, like multiply 5, and then another gap up with even bigger volume. And then see what happened. It goes down a little bit, and then it went up. They look at the candles, okay? The candles are much bigger than the second candle of the second gap. This candle is much bigger than this one. But look at the volume. The volume is like 10 times smaller than this one. What that mean, guys? That mean that this is a fake move. Okay, it means that there is no much power in the move here. That's why later it's go down, and then here when it tries to go again up, I understand that there is no much power in the stock. Okay, and look what happened. I saw the weakness of the stock. Okay, and I shorted here. Look at the stock tried to go above the V up, and it's couldn't succeed to even close one candle above the wheel. Okay, so I took a first position here. I wanted to add if it will go up until this point or at least to the wheel, but I never got it. And here the company gave an offering, and that's why it go down like crazy. It fell really strong. So that was one trade. The second trade was DKDCA. Okay, I took the stock here. I said that there is a lot of buying power here, and it don't want to go like much lower, so it's holding this level. Look, also this level, it's in support area. So I took my position here, and then it started to go up. It halted like two times, and then I exited here. I hope to get like much larger move, but I saw that here it don't have much power to push it higher. So I decided to close everything here. It was really nice trade. I liked it. The third trade for this week, okay, it's CNK. CNK, this one of my best setups. Okay, what I want to look in my setup, it's like this. I want to look the stock in the intraday. I want to see that it touches the wick at least two times. Okay, so like I count this as one, two, three times. So for me, it's enough. And then I'm looking for cup and handle pattern, but I want to take it in the cheat area. I don't want to take it at the upper side or at the lowest place of the stock in the same day. I want to take it at the cheat area. Okay, what that's mean? So I search cup and handle like in the third of the level of this down of this down. Oh my God, sometimes the word like run away because I want to tell you so much things. Okay, so I want to take it in the cheat area. So I took here the position, the stop was here, and the stock started to go up. And it was a really nice move. It was like two times my stop, so it was perfect, and I took everything out. Usually I hold the position a little bit longer, but in the situation that we are now in the economy and in the stock market, I prefer to take my profits to put some money in the pocket and not to hold more than 2 to 1 because it usually it's tend to go down and to close at the entrance or at the stop if you don't move your stop. So this is was a good decision for me, even if the stock kept higher. Remember one important thing. You will never can catch 100% of the time the top, and you never can catch the lows. So always put money in your pocket. It's really, really important if you want to live from day trading. Okay, the last stock that I want to talk about is IBRX. It's the sweet one, the sweet trade that I want to talk and explain you. Okay, I took the trade here at these levels. Okay, look, it's still also it's like above the WIOP. It's also like a cheat area if you take it from these levels, and it held above the WIOP. I took the first position here. I added here because I saw that it started to work. And then at some point it started to push, like it gave a really, really blast up. And I took my first take profit here, second one here, and the third one here. I wanted to hold it like more, but I had dinner with my family, so I couldn't wait anymore because they already started to scream like, "Where are you? Where are you? Come, come!" So I needed to close everything, but my target was 2.72. And why my target was there? First, look at the daily. Okay, first, let's look at the daily. We can see that the first push with a really, really big volume was this one. And then another push with also a big volume was this one. Okay, this is the day that I took the trade. And after you see these big moves with high volume, there is a really, really good chance that it will also, the company will want to push it higher. And why is this? Because look, if we go to the quarterly report, okay, the 10Q, I always search the offering or liquidity or shares outstanding. This is the phrases that I search, and I want to see what the company want to do with the offering or with the liquidity or dilution or everything that can affect the stock price. And what we can see, on July 20, 2023, we entered into a securities purchase agreement with certain institutional investors for the purchase and sale of 14 million and something shares of the company's common stock, as well as warrants that allow such investor to purchase additional 14 million shares of common at an exercise price of $3.2, okay, per share, for a purchase price of 2.7. Okay, so what that means? That means that the company is willing to push the share price at least to this level, 2.74. Okay, and look, it was really, really close to 2.74. Look here, if you see here, it's the high of the daily, 2.73. Okay, 2.74 was their mission to get it, but wait, okay, it's not over. It's just the Friday day trade. Let's wait for Monday. In Monday, they can also keep pushing it more and more. And on Monday, I will look for another push up, okay? Because there is a nice possibility and really good possibility that they will keep pushing it higher because they will want to get more money for the company and because they need to do it. Okay, so that's why I took this trade, and again, I would hold it much higher. And my first target was 2.5, and as you can see, we was there. And unfortunately, I couldn't hold it because of the dinner. But what you can do, this is life. At least I got something in my pocket. It was a really, really good week. It was a really, really nice trades. I hope you guys enjoyed. The next video probably will be much, much, much better and crazier than this one. Make sure that you subscribe, like the video, write any comment that you want, ask me questions. I would love to answer you. Have a great day. Bye bye.